In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram email. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Instagram, go to your profile, and then go to the top right until you see these three bars right over here. Then go ahead and select on the option that says Account Center. Then scroll down underneath here where it says Account Settings and select on Personal Details. Then you will now notice that it will display your information. From here, go ahead and select on the option that says Contact Info. It will display your email address right over there. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing on this new option that says add new contact. Then it's going to ask you what would you like to add. So go ahead and press on add email just like so. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and enter in a email address over here. And this is basically going to be the new email that is going to be used for your Instagram account. So go ahead and enter in whichever one works for you. And next up, you want to make sure you select on the account as well. And it's going to give you a final warning saying that adding this email will replace howtonowvideoexample@gmail.com on this Instagram account. So please just make sure that you have everything verified at first and make sure that everything is good to go. All you need to do is go ahead and press on next. Then it is going to send you a confirmation code to the email address that you did input. So then it is going to send a code to the Gmail address that you did input. So all you want to do is enter in the code. Yep, I just got the email and now I'm just going to go ahead and write in the code really quickly. All right, once you're done with that, go ahead and press on next. And then there you go. Then you just got to go ahead and press on close. And just like that, you have now changed your email on Instagram. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.